library time. Hey outdoors, welcome and welcome back to another video. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back, and if you are new, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you're notified each time I post a video. This week we are doing a study video, so I hope you enjoy it, guys. I love you and thank you for coming back. Enjoy. So, guys, I've been quiet for too long, so my voice is kind of funny. But by now, I'm a resident in this place. Like, this place knows my name. Okay, I came here to study, as I said yesterday. But today, I also got some devastating news again that I cannot do a topic relating to disability, because if I want like true respondents, it has to be the disabled people, which I can reach here because I'm not from this country. So I have to change my area right now. So I was here, like, before I started, I'm like, let me just go through some few areas and maybe I'll find something. Guys, my voice is so bad. Excuse me. So I've been here, okay, trying to look at topics that have been done before, and it's not opening. As you see, guys, like the site is not opening. I don't know why. So Kenya look is I don't know. My mind is not at ease, so that I started to do like a bit of research. My mind is not at ease. I can't like read if I haven't did something on the research part, because also now you're eating in a deadline, Kesan. So pray for this girl, please. Pray for me. Pray for me, because I'm going to the mosque right now. It's time to go. Guys, if tired was a person to be me, and there's no lighting, it's very dark, but if tired as a person, they will give that person my name. As I was saying, like, I was the only one in the library, and it was like 30 minutes before the library closes. So the guy was asking, like, am I not done? So I discovered, guys, instead of stressing someone's child because the same Cheyenne, I was like, okay, let me go, because basically I am tired. As you saw, I started with my research, then I started studying. And look, guys, what is module 1 gonna feel like if 32 pages of notes? Hi, son. Guys, shame. Upon kufunza asikekeleni. Don't be like me. I mean, I will not advise anyone to be like me, shame. So yeah, guys, see you tomorrow. Today it ends here. Maybe I'll do studying in the hostel, but I don't think so. Tomorrow. Good afternoon, guys. So today is Wednesday. I'm here in the library again to study. I'm trying to study, but I can't. I don't know what I can. I'm just so disorganized, actually. So I'm outside right now just to get my thoughts in order, so that I can go inside and read. Yeah, guys, I wanted to show you what I wear when I come to library, guys. I wear the most colorful pants. I feel like people, they recognize me with my pants. Let me see if I can show you people. Yeah, guys. So, hi artists. It's Thursday. Today, I'm back in the library to study for my second papers. I had accounting and project management today. Project management was hell, so I don't want to talk about it. I'm not motivated to study or anything like that because of that paper, but it's over. I want to dwell on it. I'm moving on. And guys, I have a problem with my hair. And yet, I know what people will be like, why when I went to porn for Vele, why? Yeah, I'm trying to fix my hairline. That's why I'm not doing my hair, anything else. But like ponvo lady, guys, ponvo alifoni hlala phasi. I wash my hair yesterday, so now ponvo like then so I don't know how to say it in English, but then ponvo tena kanjena guys, siyandiza. I the embarrassing. I'm going through a lot. But guys, today I left my colorful pant in the hostel because yesterday everyone was looking at me because wearing it's my everyday way when I'm coming to the library. So let me show you what I'm wearing today. So hey artists, this is a Friday. After my exam, I quickly rushed into the library to work on my research. Abo, I've suffered shame. Oh, Katele. Hey artists, I don't know actually what happened to this audio, but this was the end of the video, guys. Thank you for coming back. I was so tired this day, I can't even explain it. I think that's what I was trying to say in this video. I was so tired, but I managed to submit my hypnosis to my supervisor to check it out. And yeah, I worked on my PowerPoint presentation a bit also, so I did a good job. So this is the end of the vlog. Thank you for coming back, my lovies, my darlings. I love you so much. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also share. I love you so much. Till the next one. Bye bye.